Dear student, plus one biozoology, unit 2. Phylum. Diploplastic, it means ectoderm and endoderm. Hermaphrodite. Ova and sperm produce same individual. Monoecious, sexes are not separate. Oviparous, egg-laying animals. Ovoviviparous, internal fertilization. Phylum, generic characteristics of phylum. Character, Porifera, Nidaria, Ctenophora. Common name, pore bearing, sting cells, and comb bearing. Living, aquatic, marine, free or freshwater. Aquatic, sessile or free swimming, solitary and colonies. Marine living. Cellular organism, multicellular, asymmetry and radiosymmetry, diploplastic. Radiosymmetry, diploplastic. Biradial, diploplastic, tissue level organization. Skeletal, calcareous and siliceous. Ceremonies, calcium carbonate. Nutrition, holozoic and intracellular, ingestion and ejection. Larger cells produce food capture, digestion, extracellular and intracellular. Ctenophora is also called extracellular and intracellular. Reproduction, hermaphrodite, asexual fragment, sexual gametes. Separate, asexual medusa, sexual polyp. Cells are not separate. Larval stage, parenchyma, and ambipastula. Planary larva, side pit larva. Example, Cycon, Spongilla, Euspongilla. Adamsia, Pleoperia. Common factors called plastic methods, Ascalmenis, Annelida. Common name, flatworm, roundworm, segmented worm. Living endoparasite, parasitic on aquatic and terrestrial plant and animals, aquatic and terrestrial, some parasite. Cellular organization, bilateral symmetry, diploplastic, acoelomate. Bilateral diploplastic pseudocoelomate. Bilateral diploplastic schizocoelomate. Skeleton, coelomy fluid, cytostatic skeleton. Nutrition, absorbing diet from host. Parasitic, segment, non-segmented, unsegmented, and segmented. Discrete cell, flame cell, Renata glands. Reproduction, monoecious, fertilization internal. Separate, fertilization internal, oviparous, ovoviviparous. Monoecious earthworm, dioecious, nereis and leech. Larva, Miracea larva, sporocyte, Ridia, Cercaria. Annelida, trichopore larva. Example, Teniasolium, tapeworm, liver fluke, cystosoma, blood fluke, Ascaris lumbricoides, roundworm, Enteropias vermiculture, pinworm, Lampetomorphy, earthworm, nereis, sandworm, Kittinetia.